The Kaizer Chiefs coach Cavin Johnson apologized to the team's millions of supporters for yet another trophy disappointment in the club. The team is approaching a decade without a trophy after being dumped out of the Nedbank Cup by Milford FC. Chiefs, battling in 6th place in the DStv Premiership, will go to a 9th season without a silverware in 2024-25 after embarrassingly losing 5-4 on penalties to Motsepe Foundation Championship side after extra time ended at 0-0 at FNB Stadium on Sunday night. Amakosi hit the post twice and missed a penalty among a host of other chances they spanned in the last 32 encounter. Milford goalkeeper Spamadla Hleza stopped Ranga Chivaviro's spot kick in extra time and pulled off a string of other saves, capped his man of the match performance, striking a winning penalty in the shootout. People reacted on the X app and fans were spending hours angrily voicing out their displeasure at Kaizer Chiefs. Johnson said, "We've got to apologize to them, the 16 million supporters we have. And I'm sure they will have seen the game on television. It's not like we allowed the team, Milford, to come at us, and I think they never had a shot at goal. But we tried the best we could to get as far as we could in this tournament. And with the trophy drought being as it is at the moment, now we've lost it. So the only thing we can do is repay people by playing properly in the league." Johnson was left bemused at how his team, which had showed promise going to 5 league matches unbeaten to edge up the table, continued and said, "Not a good day at the office for Kaizer Chiefs. I thought we had probably 80 or 90% domination playing against a team that sat back the whole time. We had 4 clear chances besides the other 15 that could have gone in, and we also went and missed the penalty. So you think about the 15 minutes when we should have scored with 2 clear chances we did not put away, and towards the end of the first half of the extra time, we had a penalty and did not score that. But there are so many moments in the game where we don't score the goal and don't dominate the opponent correctly, and then we lose on penalties. But like they always say, we try to score and plan for until the fat lady sings, and tonight she sang for the opposition. For Chiefs, it's not a good pill to swallow. We have to pick ourselves up, dust ourselves off, and play for the league as hard as we can. Because if I invited you into my change room, now you would see a lot of sad boys." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.